If you are a designer or a product manager, you are probably familiar with some AI tools in 2026. Maybe you have played with AI at your workplace, maybe you already use it in your workflows, or maybe you have just played around with it in your free time. Either way, you probably have heard about Figma Make at least. And Figma Make has actually developed a lot over the last year. And if at the start it was quite limited, then now actually there's quite a lot of things you can do with it. And one of them being you can connect your design system with Figma Make. That will allow you to create prototypes that actually are aligned with your brand and with your design system. So it can really make your work a lot easier to create quick prototypes. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. So this is where you can add your prompt. And here, if you click on this button, this is the place where you could select a library, but we have nothing there. So I will show you how you can add your libraries here. So first thing, we will go now to the library file. So it's really important that you are in the file of your library. Here I'm just using a dummy library. Then you click to this icon to manage your libraries. And here we will select publish because this library isn't published yet, but it's important that your library is published before you can add it to Figma Make. So let's give it a little moment. Okay, great. So now it's published. So now if we click here, we can see that now also this area is enabled, which essentially is to export this library to Figma Make. So this is the place where you can export your libraries to Figma Make. And let's click this. And again, it will take a few minutes. So let's give it a moment. Right, so now we are all finished up, and now it even prompts us to go to Figma Make. So now let's see if our library is connected. So if we click here, then we can see that now we have this library here. So, which is also great, is that you can actually connect Figma Make with multiple libraries, and then you will be able to select which one you would like to use. Right now, we only have this one, so yeah, it makes the choice very easy. And now, let's see how it works. And here we can describe our idea or prompt what we would like it to build. Okay, so when it comes to prompt, the more precise you are, the better. Here, let's imagine we are a teacup company, and I will ask Figma Make to create a new page, a web page, for our newest products. And I ask it to create 6 products or include 6 products in this new page. All right, so we can see that our design system is selected. So let's hit enter and let's see what it will create. So we can see design this very minimalist page based on our prompt, which was also quite minimalist. All right, so let's have a look if it followed the design system, which essentially was the main goal. And if we go to the design system, we can see there are different areas, and I asked it to use the cards component. So here we have different cards components, and we can see that there's also an example with an image and a button. So I think it was quite precise and simple. All right. So I think we can say it was successful. Now we could ask it to make it a little bit, um, yeah, more maybe creative. Mm, okay, because you are also able to iterate in Figma Make. So let's see if it still will apply the design system after this. And we can see that it added some more context and also some more information to the cards, but still following our overall design system and brand guides. All right, another really great thing is that you are actually able to now export this design also to your Figma file. So if you click this button, copy design, your design is copied, and then you can go to your Figma file. I will just create a new file for this. Now that we are in our empty file, if we click Command V, we can see that it will paste the entire design from Figma Make. And it's also in layers and in auto layout, so you can also adjust it from here. All right, so let me know how is your experience with Figma Make and if you managed to connect your design system.